What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique Takira, and today I am somewhere totally different. I'm actually at a hotel, and let me move this back because you can see it. I'm in the hotel bathroom, and I figured I'd show you guys my quick makeup routine when I'm out and about and I can't do everything I normally do at home. I did bring excuse me, I did bring my makeup bag with most of my products. Don't mind this. This is just a pop socket that I just don't feel the need to take off. But yeah, so I figured I'd do just like a quick little mini tutorial on how I do it. I don't have my usual setup, y'all, so don't be mad at me. I got this little mirror that's coming out the side. I'm like, ooh, makeup gonna be on. Bleed? What? Stop. So yeah, and excuse this cord, my phone is charging. Y'all know me by now, right? Y'all should know. So I'm gonna start off by, you already know, oh no, not this. I'm gonna start off by using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, because I'm gonna be wearing this for a couple hours, and I'm gonna need some type of something, you know what I mean? And my skin has been terrible lately. I hate it so much. I feel like I'm gonna be looking up here, not at y'all the whole time, because I need my glasses. I can't see y'all all the way over there, and this mirror right here. So yeah, but I feel like my skin has been terrible lately. There's just so much under the skin that I can feel. I've been looking for a dermatologist or a facialist. Do you call them facialists? What are they called? I'm not sure of the proper term, but I've been looking for a place I can get a facial because I need one. I feel it. You know how your skin just doesn't feel like it should, you know? So I've been looking into that because I need something ASAP. So I have this sponge. It's not clean because, like I said, I'm not at home and I don't have everything to clean. And I'm, of course, no surprise here. I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Is it Radiant Creamy? No, it's NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Cadiz. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab that on here. And I'm gonna start applying it all over my face. Let me see. Can this adjust? Okay. Hopefully y'all can see. Maybe I'll turn this on a little bit. The lighting here is not great, and usually in hotels they have the extra lighting, but there is none in this bathroom. I guess they thought this little light was enough, apparently. So this is what we have to work with. Sometimes you don't have everything, you know? Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got and make it work with what you got. You know what I'm saying? I love this foundation so much, but I feel like I need to branch off and try other foundations. So if you guys know any other foundations that y'all think I should try, let me know, because I do want to branch off sometimes, you know, and I'm just the type of person, if I find something I love, I'm going to stick with it no matter what, you know, period. So I'm going to go ahead with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Secret de Ojet. So stupid. I don't know how to pronounce that, y'all. Look at me making a mess. Okay. I don't know how. Can you see this? Can you see it? No, I'm pretty sure you can't. So take my word for it, but it's medium dark 1.5. And I'm going to go under my eye. Under my eye. as well as probably my forehead. I don't think I'm gonna put it on like my chin or anything today. Nah, I think that's it. Cause I'm going for like a semi-natural look, and I don't wanna do too much because I don't know how long I'm gonna be wearing this makeup, and my skin, like I said, is doing a lot right now, and I'm trying to dial back. So I'm letting that sit, and while that sits, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little blending brush I have, and I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like contour my face a bit. So what I do with this is I take it like it's an, I take it, well, I guess I put it on like I'm trying to contour in a way. So I put it on my forehead in this area. I try not to like pack it on too much because we know Dominique ain't got no melanin, she bright, you know. I've been trying to tan for years now, so that's that. I also take it here and along my jawline, just like this. And then I also take a smaller brush like this one, and I attempt to do what I call contouring of the jaw. So I'll do like one of these, and I'll get it there, but I'm gonna go back in with this brush to like blend it out a bit. I love how warm this, I'm gonna bring y'all closer, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all closer at the end so y'all can see how everything is. But I love how warm this Sunstalker bronzer is. Absolutely love it. It's definitely a new fave. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the under eye because it has set long enough. But when I do, and I learned this from Alyssa Ashley, when I do, I'm going to make sure I don't go too far over here. And in order to do that, you just like bring it back. Uh-oh. So I'm in my eye. It was a lash. Okay. So now I'm going to actually, I feel like I need more bronzer. So I'm gonna just take a little bit more. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with this little Morphe M536 brush. If I don't tell you what type of brush I got, it's because I don't know what the name of the brush is. Most of my brushes are so old that I like literally don't, like the name or whatever has rubbed off, but these are new. That's the only reason I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my under eye. I'm gonna make sure it melts in because we're not like, we're setting, but we're not setting in, we're gonna set and forget. We're not gonna set, you know, take it back off or whatever. I don't know. What do you rhyme? Set it and forget it. Set it and, I don't know. Okay, and I'm also going to take, now this I'm not gonna set and forget. But you know what, I might. Because I'm gonna take just a little bit of the powder and I'm gonna go up under my contour to like clean it up a little bit. So you kind of got to be careful because you're not trying to get rid of your contour. You're just like perfecting it, you know? And I'm not trying to do like a heavy chiseled look. I'm just trying to, sorry y'all, somebody called me and it got cut off. So I went ahead and put that powder up under my contour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows with this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel because I'm not filling in my brows today. I don't need to fill them in ever. I just normally just use the brow pencil and the pomade to chisel it a little more because you know how your eyebrows be getting out of whack and they just be doing things. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead. I forgot highlight. I was about to say I'm done. I'm gonna use. I don't know. I think I only brought one highlight. So I'm going to use it. I'm gonna use my Morphe M30 brush. I don't think this is a highlighting brush, but that's what I've been using it for. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Artist Couture Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder in Le Bronze. And I'm gonna actually just take the cap because that's literally all I need. And I'm gonna start here, but I'm gonna fan it out so that, because I'm looking for a glow, but I don't want too much. And this literally takes like a tap and you out, you know, like a tap and you have enough, a tap. I'm gonna show y'all because I literally didn't even put that much on, and yeah. So I usually put it there, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and then a little bit here. And that's what I'm gonna do because I just want a light glow. I'm not looking for too much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm gonna spray my face. Hopefully that suits. Hopefully that helps. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes with the Snap Scara by Maybelline. I'm not sure if I want to do my lower lash line because it makes my lashes and go straight to my lower lid, so I don't know. I'm gonna try. No, I didn't. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Whew. That almost was a disaster. I was about to get mad. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and take this brown, this is an eye pencil. It's an eye pencil, but I'm gonna use it for a lip liner. I'm gonna take that and line my lips. And I'm gonna fill them in a little bit because I want them just a little. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I love Fenty glosses so much. Now I'm just gonna take that all over my lip. And I'm just like, you know, massage that in. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So yeah, that's it. I'm actually gonna get dressed and I'm gonna head out. If you guys don't know, if you need to change and like you did your face and hair and everything, get a huge bonnet and just put it over your face. Not like that, but let me show you. Like so. And you're able to just like take your clothes off without messing up your face and without messing up your hair. It's like so bomb. I'm like, why didn't anybody tell me that a long time ago? So I'm gonna go ahead and change my clothes and then I'll come back and show you guys exactly how my face is looking. Like, excuse the mess because obviously we were getting ready. But this is what I'm wearing. It's cute, right? My shoes are over here. I'm gonna wear these. I'll go ahead and put them on because why not? Yeah, so there I am. Whew, your girl has been putting in work at the gym and I feel like it's finally paying off. All right. Oh, oh, you cute or whatever? Okay, let's go to the window so we can see this face. Okay, so this is how the face is sitting, honey. Okay, this is in front of the window. Okay, you see how that little powder gave me like a nice little, I did that. And the lip is a little darker, so it looks a little better. Like I said, excuse all that because we were just getting ready. Now I have to go because I'm the last one dressed. I'm actually by myself in the room because I took so long. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you'd like to see more stuff like this because I definitely really liked recording this. And I'll do them in the future, you know? But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.